They're keeping Megatron in the Hoover Dam. Now, folks, let me be clear. They're keeping Megatron in the Hoover Dam. I don't want him in there, people. I want him out of the Hoover Dam. We got Megatron locked up. He's not our problem. We're wasting taxpayers' dollars keeping Megatron in the Hoover Dam. I did not have sexual relations with Megatron in the Hoover Dam. And me and Corn Pop used to go visit Megatron in the Hoover Dam. My fellow Americans. Megatron is behind 9/11, and I'm George Bush. I don't really know how he sounds. Ask not what Megatron can do for you, but what you can do for your Megatron. I'm Grover Cleveland. I like Megatron. Yeah, that's all I got for you today.